Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D mechanical part in Autodeskinventor software and learn the Autodeskinventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane. Here take the line command and make one straight line like this and one line like this. Escape. Now go to line command once again, and here we'll select this green point. This will be center point of this line, and select this center point. Escape, select this line, make it construction, select this line and make it vertical. Now go to dimension, define this line as 44.5 mm. Okay, now define this as 12 mm and define this as 5 mm. Select this line, right click, click on aligned and define this aligned dimension as 7.45 mm. Now we will define the angles. For angle, select this and select this. Define the angle here as 56 degree, and the angle between these two lines here will be of 146.5. Okay. Now I want same profiles this side as well. Go to mirror, select this, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now I want same profile this side as well. Go to line command, make a center line, the horizontal center line. Okay, and escape. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to the mirror command, select this profile one by one. Go to mirror line and select this horizontal line. Apply and done. Now take the line command and make a closed geometry. Join these two profiles and here join these two profiles. Now this is closed profile. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Take extrude of 6 mm. Okay, so this will be one direction extrude and press OK. Now I want a pattern of this. Go to part 2. Now you can see from front view, you can see I have made this center part. Now I want a pattern of this. Okay, go to part 1. Take circular pattern. Here I'll select this feature. Now go to rotation axis. Now we don't have any axis here. So go to origin and here we are going to select the Z axis. Okay, and take a count of 8 and the angle will be 360 degree and press OK. Now you can see the pattern. Go to front view. Now you can see this complete. Go to home. Select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From this center point, make circle here of diameter 60. Finish sketch, take extrude of 15 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now select this edge, take here chamfer. I'll take here distance and angle chamfer. The distance here will be of 10 mm and the degree will be of 25 degree. Okay, now I want to select the face. Okay, the edge will be, this will be the edge and press OK. So this will be the profile. Okay, now here go to part 2. We have made this profile. Now we are going to make this cut profile and the inner profiles. Go to part 1. Select this face, go to create sketch, take here circle command. From this point, make a circle, go to dimension and define this as 38 mm. Now finish sketch. Okay, one thing we are left with, we have to make one profile here as well. So go to extrude 2, here go to distance and here we will take, okay, we will take here asymmetric extrude. So this will be 15 and for the back side we will take 6 plus 3, 9 mm. So 3 mm will be extruded this side. Press OK. go to home. Now go to extrude, take here cut, go to direction 2, and here I will take all. Rotate the profile, so this will be a through cut, and press OK. Okay, now we are going to make the inner profiles. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this center point, we are going to make circle here of diameter 32. Go to line command and make one line here and one line here. Okay, and escape. Take coincident, select this point, select this circle. Now here go to line command and make a center line. Okay, and escape. Select this yellow profile, make it construction. Select this center line, make it construction. Go to dimension. Here select this point and select here. Define this as 1.5 mm and select this point and select this point. Define this as 3 mm. Okay. Now I will define the angle here. The angle will be of 32 degree. Okay. Now define one side angle. So a single side angle here will define as 16 degree. Okay. Now you can see this is not a proper. Undo this. Okay. Now here escape. Select this angle, delete, and here drag this inside and drag this inside. Now go to dimension. Now define the angle here as 16 and define this angle also of 16 degree. Okay, now this is proper. Go to arc, select this point, and here select this point and select the center. Now go to trim command, trim this profile. Now we want only this profile here. Finish sketch, take here extrude, flip the direction. This will be a joining profile. Now here rotate this profile. Now I want to extrude up to this face. So from here I'll take 2 and select this face. Press OK. So this will be a joining profile. Rotate. Okay. Now I want to make a cut profile. Go to part 2. Here you can see a cut profile has been made. Okay. Go to part 1 and here select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. I'll change the view. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here go to sketch, take arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point, the starting point, and select here. Go to dimension, define this arc radius as 3.25. Okay. Escape. Now go to dimension, define the distance from here as 0.5 mm. Okay. Now I want a cut profile, so I have to make a close profile. Go to line, select this endpoint and make a profile outside this. Okay. Go to dimension, define the distance here as 1 mm only and escape. Now here I want a cutting axis, so go to line, select this center point and make a horizontal center line. Escape. Select this line and make it construction. Finish sketch. Here go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Go to 3D model, take here revolve. Select this profile and select the inner profile. Select the axis and the axis will be the center axis. Now here we will change the angle. So the angle we will take here 30 degree. Okay, and this will be symmetric and this will be a cut profile and press OK. Rotate this, you can see the view. Okay. Now I want the same profile other side. So I want a mirror profile. First we'll go to make a center plane here to make a mirror profile over this face. Okay. So go to plane, click on plane, select this face, rotate and select this face. So this is the easiest way to make a new plane at center of any profile. Select both the outer faces. Now go to mirror, go to rotation 1, go to mirror plane and select this. Press OK. Now rotate the profile. Now you can see this cut profile is being made here also. Okay. Now I want this complete at pattern. So I'll take here circular pattern, go to extrude 4, revolve 1 and mirror 1. Go to rotation axis and select this as rotation axis and take count of 15 and press OK. Okay. Go to home. Same profile is being constructed here with the cut profile. Okay. Now here we are almost done. So select this face now. Go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the mounting holes. Go to circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 74 mm. Escape. Select this circle, make it construction. So this will be a pitch circle diameter. Go to circle command and make one circle here of diameter 6. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center. And here we will take circular pattern, select this, go to axis, select here, take count here of 8 and press OK. Finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and press OK. Select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now we'll define the appearance. From here I'll take the chrome polished. Okay, we are left with radius. Select this edge, go to radius, take a radius of 1 mm, rotate and select this edge and press OK. Okay, both side radius has been given. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a mechanical part in Autodesk Inventor 3D. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.